Hello my creators, today we are going to make toran from papers. For that we require some material like this. Let's start the video. Here I take strip from the handmade chart paper. The size of 2.5 inch and the length is approximately 1 meter. You can take according to your door size. So first I fold the strip for take out in the center. We are going to start sticking from the center. Now let's start. First I am showing you 15 by 15 centimeter square paper how to make the leaf. So upper side I leave the 1 inch and then at the bottom I draw a leaf shape, and after we are going to cut these shapes also. So like this, once you complete your cutting you will get the 2 leaf. Here we are going to give a Asopalov effect in the leaves, so folding will be a different. Keep fold the paper from the center and start fan folding, but in this we are going to do a cross fan folding as I am showing you here. Like this, once you complete, with the help of any tools you have to press it properly, so you will get the proper crease on the paper. See, like this, and now you have to open. Now here from the center we are going to start sticking 2 leaves together. Now once you complete this sticking, we are going to stick the flower fan folding as you are aware. For that I took one paper 52 by 9 centimeter and then I done this fan folding work. This distance of the each line is a 1 centimeter or half inch. Like this you require the half flower, so I take this size. Now apply the Fevicol, and for the decoration purpose I take the foam sheet here. Like this you have to stick and make it ready. Now these 2 area we are going to use it for the sticking. Now you have to stick this one here. Like this, on another side also we are going to stick the same half flower. Then again the 2 leaf and half flower. Now once you complete this sticking work, we are going to start decorating our strip. For that I am taking here some multicolor pom-pom. If you don't have pom-pom at your home, you can take any kind of material which you have at your home. Even you can stick the mirror also. So like this you have to complete till the end of the strip. Even you can add some more decorative material also. Now the time to make a loop for hanging this toran. So you have to use sharpening bit and stick it like this. You have to stick beginning, end and in the center. I hope you like this activity. Thank you.